Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create matrix table in Power BI. So for this, we will go on the canvas of Power BI. Let's activate the matrix. We will have to specify rows and columns. Make sure that in rows and columns, the categorical variable is selected. So in rows, we'll select the segment, and in columns, we will select the region. In values, we'll select the profit. Activate the focus mode. So it gives me the table where let's talk about this part. In central region for consumer segment, this is our profit. We can add more dimensions also in this matrix. So in segment, let's pick up the category and drop it in the rows. In columns, let's pick up the shipping mode and drop it. A small plus sign has appeared. So in segment, these are the categories. You can see here. So at present, drilling according to the rows is on. You see here. Now convert it into the columns and press the double arrow. See, as soon as I activate drill on columns, at present the results displayed are according to the region. They will get converted into the shipping mode. Press the double arrow. So the shipping mode, first class, same day, second class and standard class. Press the up arrow. Now if I activate the hierarchies, you can see the result. Central, shipping modes, different shipping modes, east, different shipping modes. Press the up arrow, activate the drilling option according to the rows, and you will get the results according to the rows. Now let's format this matrix. Click here, style presets. So what are the options available? Minimal, bold header, alternating rows, contrasting alternating rows, flashy rows, bold header flashy rows, sparse, condense. So let's pick up the minimal so that you can, let's pick up the bold header. I think that minimal is better because we are so that you will be able to understand the changes which are happening. Press plus sign, press this plus sign, plus sign. Okay, now go in grid. Do we require horizontal grid line? Yes, we require it. The blue color line is a horizontal grid line. Its thickness can be increased or decreased from here. Vertical grid lines on it. Color, again we will select the blue color and let's increase its width. Border, do we require the borders? Top, bottom, left, right. Bottoms will appear on all four sides. Width can be increased or decreased. Options, row padding. This will increase the white space in your matrix. Global font size. Values. The text color is in black. It can also be changed. Background color. Alternating text color. Let's take the another color. We'll pick up the dark color. Alternating background color. So let's pick up the options. Keep as it is. Column headers. So column headers. Let's change the color of the column headers. Can you see? Let's change. Make the central alignment on. Options, keep auto size width on. Row headers. Row headers text color, we want to change it. Background color. It's related to this. Alignment on. Now the settings for plus and minus icons. It is related to this. We can change its color. Let's make it black. The size of this can also be increased or decreased. Options. Stepped layout indentation. Activate this plus sign and scroll this and you'll be able to notice the difference. This is how much indentation you require. Column subtotals. So per column level, if it's necessary, change it, otherwise not. If it's necessary, or keep it off. So subtotals, yes, uh, and give the name grand total. So the subtotal is on grand total. We can give the name here subtotal label on. Now go to row subtotals. Now activate the row subtotals, which was off, and in this activate the segment, and here write down grand total. See the changes which are happening here. Grand total, column grand total. Um, so this is related to the column grand total. Its size can be increased or decreased. Text color can also be changed. Background color can be changed from here. Row grand total. Again, we can change the background of the row grand total. Specific column changes for the specific columns can be done here from done. We can do from here. Text color, bold, background. So you see the changes which are happening. Alignment, center alignment. Display units can be changed. At present, it is displayed in thousands. It can be changed into millions and billions. Cell elements, keep as it is, everything. URL icon, not required. Image size, it's fine. Now you go in general settings and back to the report and properties. By increasing this number, the height of the chart of the matrix will increase, width will increase, positioning. This will shift the matrix towards the right hand side. This will shift the matrix towards the bottom. Padding. Activate the focus mode. This will increase the white portion on left hand side. This will increase the white portion on right hand side. This will increase on towards the top, and this will increase the white portion towards the bottom. Advanced options, make sure that the maintain layer order is on. Title, if it's necessary, you can put the title here, otherwise off it. Effects, background color effects. So you can see the background has appeared. Visual borders, back to report. We want a dark black color background, right? Transparency should be more. Visual borders are, if they are necessary, activate with round corners. Activate the focus mode. So shadow, if it's necessary, activate it and the shadow will get activated. You see, the shadow is on. In header icons, make sure that everything is uh, on the default settings because these settings are related to filters on visuals, focus mode, and more options. So this I have already discussed in my previous video. You can see here. So it's better that in case of header icons, you reset to default settings. Done. Our matrix is ready. Activate the focus mode. So this was all about how to create matrix in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.